This video demonstrates how CAT Connect technology and services help customers make more money through improvements in time, cost, quality, and safety. Even before construction begins, an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, flies over the area to survey the site in a matter of minutes. Let's compare the two roads. Notice in the technology-driven road on the bottom of the screen that the layout phase has already been completed in half the time. There is no need for hubs or stakes since plans are loaded into the machines, and fewer people on site means less exposure to risk. However, it's during the earth-moving and grading phases when customers experience the greatest gains. Machine control and guidance, as well as intelligent compaction, replace manual processes to eliminate delays and ensure that specs are met. Excavation cuts and fills achieve elevation tolerance and density targets in the fewest number of passes. With technology, operators of any skill level can work confidently, without guesswork. In-cab displays provide machine control and guidance, progress at a glance, and allow graded compaction to be checked from the cab, keeping operators safe, informed, focused, and less fatigued. Additionally, wheel loader and articulated truck payload systems reduce cycle times and ensure delivery of accurate material quantities to the job site, saving time, fuel, and money. Finally, to the paving phase. Technology equals efficiency. No string lines, manual grade checking, or redundant compaction tests. The result is not only accuracy and consistency, but a better quality road in just about half the time. Here's the payoff for the customer: 31% fewer man-hours, better resource allocation, less exposure to risk, and a solution to skilled labor shortages. 34% fewer equipment hours. This results in lower maintenance and repair costs, increased machine availability, effective utilization and resale value, and extended machine life cycles. 46% fewer project hours, resulting in lower unit cost, more profit, and increased opportunity to bid for additional work, which can contribute to company growth and expansion. And 37% less fuel consumption. Another way to lower operating costs, increase profits and machine life, secure a competitive bid advantage, and reduce emission levels and carbon footprint. And speaking of that, this saves 12 acres of forest. That's the payoff for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It's another way innovation is driving sustainable solutions for customers. So, how far down the road do you have to go until you reach profitability? The investment in new technology for this road is about $250,000. So with that said, on a road construction project of about 3 miles in length, it takes 79 working days with technology versus the 147 working days with traditional methods. But it's still short of a return on investment. However, 4 miles is nearly the break-even point. That means for every mile thereafter, the customer is banking the profits. Customers report the road to payback using CAT Connect technology. Takes 6 months to 1 year. This investment puts them in the fast lane to less cost, increased quality and safety, and on to the next project in record time.